Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Some of you have even dubbed me the queen of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of December. It is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I will put a link in the description box down below that'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter that. I also have other giveaways going on as well, one of which is a huge one, the Tati Beauty palette, which I have on my eyes right now. I have my own, and I'm giving one away to you, plus other giveaways. All that information is in the description box down below. So let's talk about Tribe. Tribe is a beauty box. It ships out every other month. One of the things that I like about Tribe is they have a full face for you. Basically something for your eyes, something for your face, tools, lips, basically something for you to do your entire face with. So that's what I really like about it. They are $34, so it's kind of more on almost that boxy premium price, where in the past anyway, they've been higher. Boxy Premium has higher priced products than the Tribe box. The Tribe does ship out every other month, so it does give you a chance to really play with it. So as I've said in my prior videos, I'm kind of cutting back on some of the subscriptions that I'm getting for 2020. This one is on the cusp of making it or not. Watch it till the end. Let me know your thoughts on whether or not you think that I should keep this box or not. Let's dive into it. So this box was in collaboration with Francesca, and she's so pretty. She does the most amazing eye looks, and I will put her link to her channel in the description box down below as well. So the first item I am pulling out is the Glamlight Miracle Palette. This retails for $28. Does have a mirror on this side. Then look how pretty these shades are. The Miracle Palette is a tribute to all of the brave women in the world who've been affected by breast cancer. It's a stunning rose color story, the perfect palette for subtle and glam looks. I have a close family member who's really struggling with breast cancer, and so I got her when I see this palette. It looks like it does have 4 shimmers and 5 mattes. So I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit 600 subscribers. And so help us get there. I'm not going to swatch this, so I can put it either in that or in a future monthly giveaway. So become a subscriber, join the family, join the fun. From Makeup Geek is their highlighter in the shade Psycodelic. Retails for $14.99. This packaging is really pretty. There's a mirror on this side, and then here is your shimmer. It's a Psycodelic, has a peach base with a pink duochrome reflex and luminous finish. So I do want to swatch this. So it looks like it's kind of like a pale white almost in the pan, but I don't know if it's going to do it justice here, but it's almost has a peachy pink tone here. And yeah, it comes off really peachy on the hand. And I don't know what's going to, there it kind of goes, so you can kind of see it there. Pretty! I haven't had anything by Makeup Geek before, so I'm excited to get this one. by Gerard Cosmetics is the Hydro Matte Liquid Lipstick. Retails for $20. Mine is in the shade Mudslide. This is really pretty brown. A decadent and rich brown tone liquid lip that will give your look a sultry satisfaction. I don't really wear dark brown lipsticks, so I'm going to be putting this one in that giveaway as well. So at the very top of my bucket list, I think makeup products and stuff that I want to try for 2020 is the Clindah, I don't know if I said that right, Clindah Cosmetics. They have because I'm a sucker for, they have, and it's called their Stained Glass collection. It's a multi-chrome, and their jewel toned ones especially are so beautiful. They are kind of on the more expensive side, so that's why I haven't tried them yet. But this is the makeup brush set from that collection. And these retail for $24.50, inspired by the beautiful art of stained glass. This custom set for Tribe Beauty Box includes a large bronzing brush, a blending brush, a smudging brush, a packing brush, and a mini angled brush. I mean, look how pretty these are. You can totally tell the stained glass effect. They are gorgeous and they feel super soft. I really love these, and hopefully I'll be able to try one of their eyeshadows out, even if it's just a single one, out next year. By Venus Gal Cosmetics is the Vixen Potion. Retails for $17.99. It's intense pigment for an edgy chrome effect. Multicolored pigments are 35 times more expensive than regular eyeshadow formulas. They are truly amazing. Look how stunning this packaging is. It's got a little kind of like a diamond effect on the bottom. Can you see how gorgeous those are? I don't really do loose pigments, so I am going to be passing this one on to a friend. By the Sistine, I'm excited for this. This is the Retinol Collagen Cherub Mask. Has two of them here. The two together retail for $15.50. Herbal ingredients are retinol and collagen, along with a natural blend of ingredients. Hydration is achieved and puffy eyes are eradicated. I have never tried a eye mask that has retinol in it, so that's what has me really intrigued about this. I do a masking review series here on this channel where I try on different masks and let you know what I think, so be sure to look out for these in an upcoming masking review series. So what did you guys think? I think these really intrigued me. You know, these brushes look amazing. What did you guys think? What was your favorite thing? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.